Okay, I want to show you this wonderful bracelet holder that I got. And the first thing that I'm going to say is how easy it is to assemble. Even a 3-year-old can do this. Super cute design. I love the color, and I mean, you don't need any tools. You're gonna start by the smallest one and then keep going up, so that way you can have space to screw it in. You wanna make sure that it's nice and tight and sturdy. And then we're gonna do the last one. And boom, that's it. Look at how cute that is. If you have a store or anything like that, it's amazing. If you're like me and have a bunch of jewelry and just like everything in bins and you don't really know what you have, this is a great way to showcase and see everything you have, all the bracelets, all the jewelry that you have, so that way you can actually use it and not keep it stored in a place that you don't even know what you have. So 10/10 would definitely recommend. This is your sign to get this.